You mentioned that you have a 2-year-old little daughter who's recently started having this squeaking noise, and you have a history of deviated septums. She also has CHD, which I'm guessing is a congenital heart defect. Because of her extensive history, it would be best to talk with the pediatrician, and they can give you the best information based on their knowledge of her health history and refer you to a specialist if necessary. Good luck with everything, and if you have any other questions for me, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Intermountain Moms and recommend us to your friends and family too.